Welcome to the Deviants channel, and in this episode of Quick and Easy I'm going to be showing you how to remove objects from the background of an image. So let's begin. So I'm in Photoshop right now. I'm just going to select the image layer. I'm going to go over to my lasso tool over on the side, and I'm just going to draw a circle around the woman in the background here. I want to remove her from the background. So all I want to do is draw around her as tight as I can, because that means Photoshop will have to do less work. So as you can see, I'm just finished selecting around it. So what I want to do is hit the Alt key, and this will be able to make another selection just inside where the handbag is. And now once we're done, we want to zoom out. We want to go to Edit and Fill, and we want to use the Content Aware, and this will make use of the background. So as you can see, the woman is gone, and that's how you remove objects from the background in a Photoshop image. So as you can see, we got a pretty good result. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist.